Today is Mom and Dad's anniversary. Shh! Be quiet, Toby. I am quiet.
Yes, the presentation is ready for the meeting.
We are making a big surprise cake. Aye, aye, Captain. Look, Toby. Step 1 is easy. Wow! So beautiful. First, we need eggs. Go get them. Yes, ma'am. I found the eggs. Here they are. Good job, Toby. Now, where is the flour? Up there. Help me push this chair, Toby. 1, 2, push. I got it. Hold it tight, Toby. I am holding it. Flour and eggs are here. Perfect! We are super chefs. And here is the sweet sugar. Yay! Okay, step 2. Pour the white milk into the bowl. I can do that. My turn. I want to pour it. No, Toby. It is too big for you. Uh-oh. Oops. Stop, stop. Quick, get the paper towel. I got it. Wipe, wipe. All clean. No more milk on the table. Great. Let us start mixing now. Watch me, Toby. Tap and open. Wow, yellow egg. Next is sugar. Lots of sweet sugar. Yes. Add 3 big spoons. 1 big spoon of sweet sugar goes in. 2, 3. Make it super sweet. Now, pour the soft flour inside. Slowly. Wow, it looks like a snowy mountain. Here is Mom's magic electric mixer. Can I push the button? No, Toby, it is dangerous. I can plug it in. See? Okay, good job. Be very careful. Ready, Toby. Turn it on low. Turbo power. Go, go, go! Whoa! It is too fast. It is spinning. Look at the flower fly. Whee! Toby? Hooey, you look like a ghost. You look like a white snowman, Chloe. I opened the sugar jar, Chloe. Ta-da! Great. Let me see. Let's put a lot of sugar inside. Yes. More sweet. Big cake. 1, 2, 3 spoons. Sweet sugar mountain. Always close the jar when you are done. Okay, Captain Chloe. Now we mix it with the big wooden spoon. Mix, mix, mix. Look, it is getting time for the red electric mixer now. Yay! Super machine speed. Okay, low speed this time. See? It is spinning slowly. Good. Oh, it is too heavy. The mixer stopped. The dough is eating the machine. Look, it is like sticky clay. Squishy, squishy. Let me feel. We need more milk to make it soft. Just a little bit, Toby. Stop. Oops. Too much milk. Oh, Toby. Now it is soup. Mix it with your hands. Like this. Super gooey. I love it. Look, my cake shape is a funny face. And mine is a star monster.
Wait, David, did you hear that?
Hear what?
That sound. It sounds like the kids giggling.
Wait, it is 11 o'clock already?
Chloe and Toby are being too quiet downstairs.
That is never a good sign.
I will go down and check on them.
Be careful.
Let's see what our little chefs are up to.
Kids, I am coming down.
Kids, I am coming down. Dad is coming. Oh no. Hurry, Toby. Open the oven now. Open, open, safe. In it goes. Push. 1, 2, click. Cake is hidden. Done. Now the table. Clean it fast. Swipe it, swipe it. Ah! Catching the snow. Whee! Jars are back. Look, Chloe. Awesome. We are almost ready. Stand straight. Act natural. I am supernatural.
Kids? What are you doing?
We are just being natural, Dad. Don't look at the oven, Dad.
Okay, just don't make a mess. I'm going.
Bye-bye, Dad. Look at our funny anniversary cake. It smells weird. Time for the sweet pink cream. Push! Wow! Splash it everywhere. Oh, cream on my nose. You look like a pink clown. Our magic strawberry cake is ready. The best anniversary surprise.
Oh, what is that sweet smell, David?
I told you, our little chefs are working.
Welcome back, Mom and Dad. Happy anniversary! Surprise. Look, we made a cake for you. It's a strawberry monster cake.
Oh my goodness. Did you make this all by yourselves?
It looks like a friendly pink alien monster. I love it.
But I think I put salt instead of sugar, Dad. Oh no, Toby. Really?
Salt?
Or sugar. A super dad can eat anything. Whoa. That is definitely a very salty strawberry.
Is it yummy? Is it sweet? Tell us, David.
It's the best salty cake in the world!
Yay!
Thank you, my sweet little angels. This is the best anniversary gift ever.
We love you. Happy anniversary.